Hello class, this is Miss H, and today we are going to be talking about counting. So you guys just watched a few videos about counting from 1 to 20, and now we're going to do counting, but with objects. So I thought this would be a helpful lesson for you guys to help you learn how to count, and so you can do counting anywhere. You can do counting at school, at your house, if you do any sports, there's counting everywhere. So today I'm going to show you some of the things that I have at my house that I can count. And we're gonna count together, okay? So make sure you pay attention and follow along. Okay, so the first thing is, I have some candies here. Now, these are some of my favorite candies, but it looks like I have a lot of them, right? So let's count them together. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 candies in total here. Now I could just grab these and start eating them, but what if I needed to know how many candies? What if I'm only allowed to have 3 candies? Well, that's why it's important to know that I can't have all of these because that's way more than 3 candies. If your parents say that you can only have 3 candies, you should go, okay, 1, 2, 3, and put the rest of them away. Okay, so now we've counted that, let's go on to counting something else. Okay, so now that we just talked about candy, I think we should talk about something a bit more healthier. So I have some apples here, and let's see how many apples are in this bag right here. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 apples in total here. That's a lot of apples. I can't even hold them all. So sometimes it's hard to count, and sometimes you might look at this and say, okay, 1, 2, 3, but maybe you need some extra tips. I'm going to teach you guys a few extra tips. So let's just say that you don't have any items with you. How are you going to count things? Well, you can use your hands. So I know the video just talked about this, but I want to talk about this too. Let's see. Let's go ahead and count another thing that we can count just using our hands. So I have these bowls here, and I don't have a lot of them, so I might be able to use my fingers to count for this. Let's see. Okay. So I have 1 bowl, right? 1 finger equals 1 bowl. Awesome. And I have another bowl. That's 2 bowls. So in total, I have 2 bowls, which is the number 2 right there. Pretty awesome. Okay, let's do a little bit of a harder one. This is our last one. So I have a lot of spoons here, right? These are a lot of spoons. Let's count them together, okay? This time I want you to use your hands, okay? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, what comes next? 5, good. 6, 7, 8. So in total I have 8 spoons, right? From far away you can't tell how much it is, but when you count, when you use your fingers, let's see, can I hold up 8 fingers? All right, I want you guys to hold up 8 fingers, okay? All right, now I'm gonna hold up 8 fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 of these fingers are the same as 8 forks. Okay. Now, my challenge to you guys is I want you to go in your own house and I want you to find things that you can count. Try and find 8 objects that you can count. They don't have to be the same thing. They could be anything. I could count random things. I could count 1, 2 spoons. I could count 1, 2, 3 pieces of candy. And that means there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 right here. So it doesn't have to be the same items. But I want you to look where and see where you can count in your own life. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to complete your IXL worksheet to submit to me, okay? All right, have a good rest of your day.